Hello, hello! Today we are going to make a memory drawing. Well, memory drawing is related to all the figures which we make like a boy or a girl doing an action. At first, we are going to make an oval for the face. And then we will start by sketching the rough part of the body. Well, the boy is in action. Hence, we will make the left hand of the boy moving upwards and the legs which are running. So, one of the legs is ahead and the other one is in the air, leaping far. Let's make the facial features and then the hair. Once we are done with that, let's make the leg properly and the pant as well. Start by making the drawing a little darker so that we can make these intricate details. Let's make the eyes properly. And then the nose and the smile. Let's make the collar and then let's start sketching this. Well, sketching can be a tricky process. All we have to do is sketch with the tip of our black sketch pen so that we get a nice and fine finishing. Let's make the crease on top of our t-shirt. And then let's make his fist folded. Complete the entire sketching with the tip of the sketch pen. Well, yes, let's do this together. That's lovely. Go very slow while making the facial features and then erase all the pencil marks you see. The next thing we do is start coloring this. Well, at first, we will take a darker color and start doing these strips. Yes, with olive green color. After that, we will take the same color, release the pressure and color very lightly for the rest of the t-shirt. And do you know what are we going to do next? Well, yes, take yellow color and color right on top. And look, we got the color which is mentioned in our book. That's lovely. Let's take our blue color and start doing this now. Yes, as you know, we will always start with the outline and then color inside in one direction. That's a simple process and it is easier for us to follow as well, isn't it? Press the color and do not keep any white spaces. That's brilliant. After that, let's take red color or maroon color and do the shoes. And then we will do the tip of it with magenta color or dark maroon color. Let's take grey for the bottom part. Blend it well. That's lovely. Now we will take dark brown color and start doing the hair. This looks beautiful. Blend 2 to 3 brown colors together and make the hair. And after that, let's use skin color to do the face. And yes, the fist as well. Complete the entire thing in a similar way. Get rid of the extra color which is on all our features. Yes, you can scrape it out. And look, our boy is ready.